Look at him. Look at the string. Look at the string. You're so cute. Whoa, what did he do? Oh, here he goes. He's gonna do it. Whoa, look at that. Whoa! You bit my hand. Here you go. Here. Let me see. Here. Here. Oh God, put it around your head. I don't know if it even fit around his head. Put it around his head, he'd just be like, "Arr, arr, arr." Whoa, look at you. There you go. There you go. Hi, baby. Hi there. Oh, no, you just want to play with the string, don't you? You just want the string. Ow. Ow, let go. Thank you. Don't bite. Okay? Look at you. Look at you. Wow. He's so play. Why are you so playful all the time? Why do you want to bite all the time? Why do you bite? Why do you bite? Why do you bite, kitty? There you go. Oh, there you are. Ow! I'm digging your claws into my flesh. I need my flesh to survive. It protects me from things like bacteria and stuff. That'd be bad. Okay. Hey, Spats. Hey, Spats, the cats. That's Kitty. Oh. How are you doing? How is Mew doing? Punny. That was punny.